So here we are in the bathroom. There's a few things that you want to make sure you do. Some of the bathrooms in an aged neighborhood or older homes might be a little bit outdated and not as up to trend as other parts of your home, might be like the kitchen we saw, right? So there's little things that we can do to kind of get the place spiced up. One is as simple as making sure we recaulk and regrout any tile or flooring areas to make it look clean. Over time, a lot of usage can make the floors or certain corners of the bathroom feel like a little bit dirty or old, and a simple cleanup can make it just give it a fresh vibe. Other things that we do is always recommend to our sellers is, hey, if we can do some cosmetic work to get the bathroom up to a little bit refreshed vibe, bring it up to date, then we would recommend doing some changes as far as lighting goes, vanity, faucets and sink, some of the cabinetry that we might see, or even more depth is redoing some of the tiling or marble work in the shower to give it that feel like some of the work has been done. A simple $12,000 to $15,000 job in your bathroom can take the value of your home exponentially higher because some of the bathrooms in the area might be original, and just to see some fresh marble, some fresh lighting, and some fresh faucets can make it feel like, okay, there was work done on this home, so mentally the buyer will be prepared to pay X amount more as well. So just a little strategy here and there can get you the opportunity to net a little bit more, and our team is more than happy to kind of explain what those strategies are in more detail, when we do meet.